What's going on, guys? This is my college course. I already have a college course on YouTube already. It's a very simple course, but it's very important though. You'll need to know you'll need to go through my first college course in order to know this one. Because we're going to talk about what's before 1. What is before 1? 1? Remember I said on my other video, 1 is this much. 1, the first number. 1 is this much. 2, the next number is this much. I'm not going to explain too much. You have to watch my first video. But before 1, for those of you that are watch my first video, before 1 is this much. 0. No fingers. No fingers. Nothing. That's what 0 is. That's before 1. That's something that I didn't explain on my other video. Remember, you have to know my first video to know this video, because we're going to be talking about another function. Subtraction. Subtraction. Remember that. You have to watch my first video in order to get this. You should know what 1, 2, and 3 are. Subtraction. This is 3. Subtraction is taking away from the number. Taking away from the number. You take away. You go down. 3 minus 1 is 2. See, we have 3 here. We take away 1. That's 2. 2. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. All my fingers are up. That's 5. 1. That's how you count. You go up to the next number. Next number is 2. You add 1 on to the full onto the number. You add 1 onto the number to the whole number. Add 1. That's how you count up. 3, 4, 5. Let's try a more advanced equation now. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Because we have 5 here. Remember, this is 2. We have 5. We minus 2. 1, 2. And we're left with 3. You should already know what my first... You should already know what 1, 2, and 3 are. You should already know what 1, 2, and 3 are from my first video. This is my second video. Those are some. That's a different function. Subtraction. You take away from the number. Very simple. The math that I teach is sort of like it's small numbers, like the first number, and like bits. It's like bits of computers. If you don't know what bits are in computers, machine code and bits. Small numbers, that's right at the beginning of computers, how computers work and stuff. Mine's sort of like that. My math, it's at the beginning. how it's made up in small numbers, machine code. That's a good way to think of it. Bits. Bits. That's what you'll learn in my class. Bits. It's a full college course. Very important stuff. I recommend my first video too as well. You'll learn what adding is. That's all for the course today, guys. That's my lecture. Show you what subtraction is and what 0 is before 1. We learned what 1 was in my last video, my other video. And we learned what adding is, plus. Now we're learning what minus is. Subtraction, taking away from the number, from the whole number. Simple. I'm gonna do, yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for the course. That's it for the course. Subtraction. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. I'll throw some advanced math in there. 5 plus 5, that's 2 5s. 2 5s. That's 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. That's a bonus question. Bonus. Advanced math. Advanced bits. 5. 10 minus 5. You're left with 5. That's advanced math. That's my bonus question. My bonus section. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.